before a gig. I like to just do lots of deep breathing and stretching. I like to sit at the piano and just stretch them as far as I can go. Definitely keeping the hands warm. They can get cold, especially if you're doing outside gigs. Practicing tenths and stuff like that. Yeah, that kind of thing. And then I always practice, my scales and arpeggios super, super slow. It's almost like a meditation. It's very disciplined. You just gotta be nice and calm. And just make sure you got perfect technique, get your thumb under. Yeah, that's how I kind of generally warm up and get slowly faster with the scales and trying different accents, like every 3 notes do an accent. Like. And then you can change it to every 4 notes, every 2 notes, every 5 notes. Just little brain things to just, keep your brain active and get your fingers moving and just make sure, you know what you're doing.